Are you looking to grow your money in 2025? Cryptocurrency investments are no longer just a trend. They're a powerful strategy for generating passive income, beating inflation, and building real wealth. In this video, we'll break down how to invest in crypto safely, how blockchain works, and what coins or strategies might actually make sense for your portfolio. Traditional investments like stocks and real estate still matter, but cryptocurrency is disrupting everything. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to the rise of Bitcoin ETFs, crypto is changing how Americans invest. The total market cap of crypto hit trillions, and it's not just hype anymore. Blockchain technology ensures transparency, decentralization, and global access to financial tools. Getting started is easier than you think. Start with trusted platforms like Coinbase, Binance.us, or Kraken. Always enable two-factor authentication and transfer long-term holdings to a cold wallet. Start small with top coins like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Volatility is real, but so is the reward. Want your crypto to work for you? Explore staking, yield farming, and liquidity pools. For example, staking Ethereum can earn 4 to 6% APR, while platforms like Aave and Compound offer lending options with interest. This is how smart investors earn passive income 24/7. But be cautious. Always research protocols before committing. Crypto isn't a guaranteed win. The market is volatile and scams are real. Always do your own research. In the US, the SEC is cracking down on unregistered securities, and new crypto tax laws mean you need to report gains. Consult a financial advisor and use tracking tools like CoinTracker to stay compliant. Cryptocurrency is a game changer, but only if you play it smart. Like this video if you learned something, and subscribe for more high-value insights into digital finance, passive income, and the future of investing. Drop your favorite coin in the comments. We'll be watching.